Welcome to our beauty and face care routine channel. We are so excited to share our passion for all things beauty with you. Today we are talking about Gua Sha. Support my channel, click subscribe and like. Thank you. If you've been following the beauty community on social media, you may have heard about Gua Sha. But what exactly is it, and why are so many people using it? Gua Sha is a traditional Chinese healing technique that involves using a smooth, flat tool to gently massage and scrape the skin. It's been used for centuries to promote healing and improve circulation in the body. In recent years, Gua Sha has gained popularity in the beauty industry as a facial tool. By using a Gua Sha tool on your face, you can help reduce puffiness, promote lymphatic drainage, and improve circulation, which can lead to a brighter and more youthful-looking complexion. Gua Sha is often used in combination with facial oils or serums to help the tool glide more smoothly over the skin. The pressure and motion of the tool can also help the product penetrate deeper into the skin, maximizing its benefits. Another benefit of using Gua Sha on your face is that it can help relieve tension and tightness in your neck and jaw muscles. Many people carry tension in these areas, which can lead to headaches, jaw pain, and even teeth grinding. By massaging these muscles with a Gua Sha tool, you can help release that tension and promote relaxation. Finally, Gua Sha can also be a relaxing and meditative self-care practice. By taking a few minutes each day to gently massage your face and neck with a Gua Sha tool, you can help reduce stress and promote a sense of calm. So there you have it. Gua Sha is a traditional Chinese healing technique that has found new life in the beauty industry. By using a Gua Sha tool on your face, you can help reduce puffiness, promote lymphatic drainage, and improve circulation, all while enjoying a relaxing and meditative self-care practice. Why not give it a try?